Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Noah, and today we are going to talk about the FIFA World Cup.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Noah, do you like football?
Yes, I love football very much.
That's great. I also love football.
Football is a very popular sport.
Yes, it is popular all over the world.
Many people watch football every day.
Do you know what the FIFA World Cup is?
Yes, of course. It is a very big football tournament.
That's right. It happens every 4 years.
Wow, only every 4 years?
Yes, that is correct.
That makes it very special.
I agree. People wait a long time for it.
Who plays in the World Cup?
National teams from many countries play.
Oh, so it's countries, not clubs.
Yes, exactly. Countries, not clubs.
That sounds interesting.
For example, Brazil, Argentina, France, and Germany.
I know those teams. They are very strong.
Yes, they are famous football teams.
Which team do you like, Emma?
I like Brazil. Their style is beautiful.
That's a great choice. Brazil has won many times.
Yes, Brazil has won 5 World Cups.
Wow, 5 times. That's amazing.
What about you, Noah? Which team do you like?
I like Argentina. I love Messi.
Oh, Messi is a fantastic player.
Yes, he is one of the best players in history.
I agree. Many people love him.
Let's talk about the history of the World Cup.
Good idea. When did it start?
The first World Cup was in 1930.
Wow, that is a long time ago.
Yes, almost 100 years ago.
Which country hosted the first World Cup?
Uruguay hosted the first World Cup.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, and Uruguay also won that World Cup.
That's a nice fact.
Let's give a simple example sentence here.
Good idea. The first World Cup was in 1930.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, we use was because it is the past tense of is.
That's right. Is becomes was in the past.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. Uruguay was the host country.
Very good sentence, Noah.
Thank you, Emma.
Now let's talk about how often the World Cup happens.
It happens every 4 years.
Yes, we can say the World Cup happens every 4 years.
That's a simple and clear sentence.
Yes, very easy to remember.
How many countries play in the World Cup?
Usually 32 countries play.
Wow, that's a lot of countries.
Yes, but soon it will be 48 countries.
Really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, more teams means more excitement.
I agree. More games, more fun.
What about you? Do you watch the World Cup with friends?
Yes, I watch it with my family and friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we make snacks and watch together.
I do the same thing.
What snacks do you like during the games?
I like chips and juice.
I like popcorn and soda.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, watching football is more fun with snacks.
I agree completely.
Let's talk about famous World Cup moments.
Okay, do you remember any famous goals?
Yes, Messi's goal in 2022 was amazing.
Oh, that was a wonderful match.
Argentina won the World Cup in 2022.
Yes, it was very exciting.
The final match went to penalties.
Oh, wow, penalties are very stressful.
Yes, everyone was nervous.
I remember watching that game.
What did you feel during the match?
I felt very excited and nervous too.
Me too. My heart was beating fast.
That's a funny way to say it.
Yes, my heart was beating fast means I was very excited.
That's a useful expression for everyone.
Yes, you can use it in many situations.
Let's give an example sentence.
My heart was beating fast during the final match.
Perfect example, Noah.
Thank you, Emma.
Now let's talk about what our favorite team is.
What is your favorite team of all time?
I think Pele is amazing. He won 3 World Cups.
Wow, 3 times. That is incredible.
Yes, he is a legend in football.
I also like Ronaldo. He scores many goals.
Yes, Ronaldo is very famous too.
Football has many great players.
That is true. Every country has its own stars.
I agree. It makes the World Cup very special.
Let's talk about the stadiums now.
Good idea. World Cup stadiums are very big.
Yes, some stadiums hold over 80,000 people.
Wow, that's a huge number of people.
Yes, the atmosphere is amazing.
I would love to watch a match live in a stadium.
Me too. It must be very exciting.
Have you ever been to a live football match?
No, not yet. What about you?
No, but it is my dream.
That sounds like a wonderful dream.
Yes, maybe one day we can go together.
I would love that. Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our talk about the FIFA World Cup.
Yes, let's continue. There is so much more to talk about.
Let's talk about the World Cup trophy.
Oh yes, the golden trophy.
It is very beautiful and famous.
Yes, every team wants to hold that trophy.
The winning team gets to lift the trophy.
That must be a wonderful feeling.
Yes, it is the biggest dream for every player.
I would cry if I won the World Cup.
That's funny, but understandable.
Yes, it is a very emotional moment.
Let's learn some football vocabulary now.
Great idea. What words should we learn?
First, goal. A goal means scoring a point.
Yes, he scored a goal is a simple sentence.
Good example. Next word is team.
A team is a group of players.
Yes, my favorite team is Brazil.
That's a nice example.
Next word is match. A match means a game.
The match starts at 5 p.m.
Perfect sentence, Noah.
Thank you. Let's add one more word, player.
Yes, a player is a person who plays.
Messi is a famous player.
Very good example.
This vocabulary is easy and useful.
Yes, beginners can use these words every day.
Let's also talk about verbs.
Good idea. Play is a regular verb.
Past tense is played.
Yes, I played football yesterday.
Great sentence. What about score?
Score is also regular. Past tense is scored.
He scored 2 goals.
Perfect. Now let's try an irregular verb.
Okay, what about win?
Yes, win is irregular. Past tense is won.
Argentina won the World Cup.
Excellent sentence, Noah.
Thank you, Emma. This is very helpful.
Yes, learning football words is fun.
I agree completely.
Let's talk about pronunciation now.
Okay, what word should we practice?
Let's practice the word world.
World. W-O-R-L-D.
Good job. Say it slowly. World.
World.
Now say World Cup together.
World Cup.
Great pronunciation, Noah.
Thank you. Pronunciation practice is useful.
Yes, it helps speak more clearly.
Let's go back to talking about the tournament.
Good idea. Which country will host the next World Cup?
I think it is the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Yes, that's correct. 3 countries together.
Wow, 3 countries hosting together. That's new.
Yes, it has never happened before like this.
That sounds very exciting.
I agree. It will be a historic World Cup.
I can't wait to watch it.
Me too. I'm already excited.
What about you, listeners? Are you excited too?
Please write your thoughts in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
Let's talk about World Cup traditions now.
Yes, like wearing team jerseys.
Yes, fans wear their country's colors.
I love seeing fans paint their faces too.
That sounds fun and colorful.
Yes, it shows their love for their country.
Do you have a favorite jersey, Noah?
Yes, I have an Argentina jersey.
That's awesome. I have a Brazil jersey.
We support different teams, haha.
Yes, but we both love football.
That is the most important thing.
I agree. Football brings people together.
Yes, it doesn't matter who you support.
Everyone enjoys the games together.
That is the beauty of the World Cup.
Let's talk about the closing ceremony now.
Yes, the final match is always very special.
There is music, lights, and celebration.
I love watching the opening ceremony too.
Yes, it is full of culture and dance.
Every host country shows their traditions.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful and interesting.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for your support.
Let's finish with one more topic.
Okay, let's talk about why football is so popular.
I think it's because it's easy to understand.
Yes, you just need a ball and some space.
Anyone can play football anywhere.
That's very true.
It connects people from different countries.
Yes, football is truly a global sport.
I love that about football.
Me too. It brings happiness to many people.
Today it was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.